In this lesson, we're going to answer the question, how do I subtract integers using two colored counters? So last week we worked on adding integers. In this lesson, we're going to focus on subtracting them. Say, for example, you're solving the problem positive 7 minus positive 5. You would start by putting out your 7 counters. They are all positive counters, which would be either black or yellow, like the ones we have in class. You then take away 5 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, this would be 5, and you just take them away. Bye-bye. Which means you then have 2 positive counters remaining, so 7 minus 5 equals 2. That's regular subtraction. Now, let's change this problem up. Let's do 7 minus negative 5. Let's start out with 7 positive counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we need to take away negative 5. The problem is, I don't have negative 5. All I have is 7 positives. So in order to take away negative 5, I need to add in 0 pairs to what I have, meaning that I need to add in 1 positive and 1 negative. So I need to do this 5 times. So I have a total of negative 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now I add in the negative ones. So it's 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. So currently right here, all of this equals 0, and all of this equals 7. So I still just have 7. Now I take away negative 5. So I take all of these negative 5s, I get rid of them, and then I look at what I have left. And what I have left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hey, that's kind of like 7 plus 5. So 7 minus negative 5 equals 12. You might also see a problem like this, negative 7 minus 5, in which case you would start out with negative 7. So I draw my negative 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All of them are negative, and I try to take away negative 5. I try to take away 5, positive 5, but I don't have any positive counters. So let's start out with doing 5 0 pairs. The 0 pairs would be 1 negative, 2 negatives, 3 negatives, 4 negatives, 5 negatives, paired up with 5 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do 5 positives, so that way you have 5 positives to take away. So now I can simply take away these 5 positives here. Bye-bye. And I'm left with these 5 negatives plus these 7 negatives. So negative 5, or 5 plus 7 is 12. So your answer is actually going to be equals negative 12. So in this case, it's similar to the other one we did of 7 minus negative 5, but except this one is a negative answer, negative 7 minus 5. Interesting. It's almost like I'm adding the numbers and taking the one with like the higher absolute value as the sign, like 7 plus 5 is 12. So you have 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 is a higher absolute value than negative 5. So it's a positive. 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 has the higher absolute value, so it's negative. Interesting little observation there.